If you love cool tones, this look is for you. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alatorre. Join the family and hit that subscribe button. When I did my throwback classic fall makeup look and modernized it, I noticed in the comments I received a few here and there that said, what I loved about the original look is that it was so cool toned and nobody does cool tones. And your look was a little on the warmer side, and I love a cool tone look. So it got my mind thinking, and I was like, you know what, you gotta give the people what they want. So I'm bringing you this entirely cool toned look, and it is the focus of today's video, how to create a cool tone look and have it all flow and not feel like, you know, a silver metallic Christmas ornament. I have my friend Karen here to help. You're probably wondering why she is back here. And if you don't follow Karen, I love Sarai on Instagram. She is an incredible human being, incredible artist, and something that we have in common, aside from people tell us that we look alike. Can you see it? I call her my hermana. Is that she started her makeup career at a MAC counter. When I landed my first ever makeup counter job, it was with MAC, and I felt on top of the world. I felt like I had made it as a makeup artist, and I'm so excited to share with all of you that it has come full circle and I am officially a MAC ambassador, and I couldn't be more thrilled, especially right now with the launch of the MAC holiday collections. If you guys know MAC, you know that their holiday collections, they're so gorgeous. This year the theme is frosted firework. Look at the packaging, it's so beautiful. Any year that I've gotten a MAC holiday collection, like one of the kits, or even just one of like the eyeshadows from a holiday collection, it seriously surpasses all my other gifts. I know it sounds crazy, like you can see like a giant gift under the Christmas tree, but when you open up that MAC holiday kit or that MAC makeup, it just, if you're a makeup lover, you know that feeling, okay? And my tias would love to gift me the holiday sets, glosses, lipsticks, something like this, the Sparkler Starter Kit, which has 3 full-size lipsticks. So even though the Frosted Firework collection has an assortment of colors, Karen is wearing a predominantly pink look in her campaign photo. I wanted to focus on all the cool tones from the collection, eyes, highlight, lip, everything, you name it, you got it. Let's get into it. I'm gonna hit you guys with double the coolness with this PowerPoint eye pencil, dual-ended in the shades Zenith and Can You Chill. So on top we have Can You Chill, on the bottom we have Zenith. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Look at that shimmer, it's so beautiful. And we're gonna incorporate both of these into this eye look and keep things nice and chilly. I can't with myself, why? Why? I already prepped my eyes with Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, my favorite way to prep my eyes, and added a bit of powder so it doesn't crease. And now I'm gonna go in with the blue side of the dual-ended eye pencil and line the lash line and start smoking it out to create that smokiness. But the pop of blue is really gonna make it a true wintry wonderland, you know what I'm saying? And have your brush ready to start blending it out so it doesn't set in place and then you can't get that smoky effect. I'm only gonna blend on the edge in an upward motion, just so that when you add another eyeshadow up top, you don't see that harsh line there. And then you can keep the edge sort of rounded, or you can start kind of feathering it out to create a wing and then sharpen it up when you do the cleanup. I think I'm gonna do a bit of a baby wing. And with a little makeup wipe, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up now, so that way when I go in with the black, I can be a little more precise. And it's okay if it looks messy, because you'll see when I add the shadow up top, it's just going to blend out really, really well. I don't want you to overthink this look at all, especially when it comes to adding this beautiful shimmery shadow called Silver Bells. So fitting, look at that, nice and metallic. I'm gonna go in with a wash all over the lid first, and it's okay if it goes over the eyeliner. You want it to do that. We're gonna go back in and fix it, darken up the liner afterwards, but for this step, just have fun with it. Pick it up on a fluffy brush, dry. The second round, I'll mist it with a little bit of Fix Plus. And I'm just going to pat it on, starting with the center, and then slowly blending upwards and over that liner. You almost want it to look like it's been very effortlessly sprinkled on there. We don't have a crease color, so that's the beauty of this look. It's so easy. You just want it to go on the lid and then just blend out and disappear as it goes up towards the brow and on the outer edge as well. So see how when I tilt my head, you can see that it's on my brow bone. It's just not as packed on as it is on the rest of the lid. That is the effect that you want. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Now, if you want to further intensify the shimmer on the lid, I wouldn't intensify it anywhere else. You want it to look lightly sprinkled, like, you know, a fresh layer of snow on the winter. Okay, I'm taking this like way too far. You want it to be really light around the edges, like nice and soft and cloudy. But on this area, on the lid, if you want it to look a little more intense and metallic, I would pick up another layer of Silver Bells and give it a light mist of Fix Plus, and then go back and pack it on right on the center. See that difference? Now it looks wet and glossy. Ta-da! Oh, looks so good. And we're not gonna go in with the shimmery silver side just yet. I'm gonna save that for the lower lash line, but I am gonna go in with this other dual PowerPoint eye pencil in the shade Dark Spark and Bitter in Glitter. And I'm gonna use this dark side, which is almost like a soft black to me. I'm gonna run that as close to the lash line as possible to get an even smokier effect, but still have that beautiful blue tint to it. So keep it really tight to the lash line. Don't blend it up as much as you did the blue liner. And keep it more so towards the outer edge versus bringing it all the way in. And then once you get to this end, I like to just peck it on a little more before grabbing a little brush and blending it out to create that wing. Look at that coolness, the shimmer, the pop of blue, the winged liner is still there, but really soft with the way it's blended in with the blue. I love it so much. I kind of wish I was going somewhere to celebrate. At the moment, I'm not. I'm gonna finish my face so I can do the lower lash line and then show you how to keep the coolness and the flow going with also a cool tone highlighter and lip and all the color being in that same color family. And just like that, we're back to the eyes. And this is where I personally start to get nervous when filming a tutorial because the eyes look so good. I'm nervous that I'll do something to mess it up. It happens, okay? It happens in my average day-to-day, but on camera, there's like this pressure to like not mess it up, but I think we're gonna do a good job here. So I'm gonna take that dual-ended eye pencil. I'm gonna take the blue, the same one that I used to create the wing, or that hint of blue, and I'm gonna add it to the lower lash line to connect this beautiful liner. And again, I'm gonna have my brush on deck so I can blend it out as I apply it to the lower lash line. Notice I left this inner portion without any blue because I'm gonna go in with the silver side of this dual-ended pencil because I just love when the inner corners have a ton of shimmer, and this liner is just so beautiful that I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that to right here. And then afterwards, I'm gonna fill in the waterline with that black pencil. And kind of drag it over the blue too. Don't just have it stop where the blue and silver meet, kind of drag the silver a little bit over the blue. Yes, it looks amazing. Oh my God, I cannot wait to add the inner corner highlight. Truly gonna pull this all together. Let's swatch Bitter in Glitter. Even though I'm gonna use the black in the waterline, I feel like you guys have to see Bitter in Glitter. This is Bitter in Glitter. I don't even know how to describe that. It's like a dimensional brown that can pull plum if you pair it with purple eyeshadows. If you do a brown smoky eye, it's gonna add dimension in the waterline with that bit of shimmer. It's such a good color, especially paired with the black on the other side, which I'm gonna use now to fill in that waterline. And I'm actually gonna stop the black right here as well and then fill in this inner corner with that silver also so it looks connected versus black going all the way across. The look of the silver, the metallic silver over the black, look at, I dragged it over a little bit. It just adds that little pop, that little bit of like mysteriousness that I needed. I'm gonna add mascara, lashes, and then go back to finishing the inner corner with some of the other shadows, a highlight, and the lip. I think I've spent enough time on the eyes, but I just can't get over it because I'm really proud of myself for this one. All right, for the inner corner, I have these two beautiful eyeshadows from the Frosted Firework collection. This is Sparktacular. I love the names. If I wasn't doing YouTube, I would totally be a part of the creative team at a makeup brand because I just love the names. Sparktacular, yes, has a warm undertone. Let me swatch for you guys. See that? Definitely more gold. Still really you know, has like that silvery sheen to it, but it has that warm undertone. And then the other one is cooler than being cool, which fits this look perfectly. I mean, I just love these names. And you can see it has a shift. It shifts to like a blue undertone. So I think that this is gonna complement this look so perfectly. So I'm gonna apply this to the inner corner. And usually with an inner corner highlight, I like to apply it and then kind of just drag it into the other shimmery shadow. I know, it always gives me a really nice effect that I love. That is it for the eyes. Let's finish with the highlight and the lip, which I've already, you know, caught it up to speed just a bit, but I'll tell you guys what I did. I am beyond excited for the lip. When you guys see it, it's one of those lip colors that when you see it in store, you're gonna wanna buy it and then you're gonna be like, okay, how do I wear it? But that's why I'm here, I got you guys covered. But for now, let's talk about the highlights. So the collection does have a warm and a cool, so you can see the difference. If you guys still are kind of confused about warm versus cool, this is a cool toned highlight, very silver. This is called Let It Glow. Very winter, everything's very winter wonderland. And then this is Flair for the Dramatic. Look at this packaging too, it's so pretty. And this is more of that gold bronzy. Look at them side by side. But of course we're gonna be using Let It Glow because, I mean, it just complements this look so much. I didn't add any additional blush. I think that with cool tone looks, sometimes a blush can really just take the look the whole other way. And then for the highlight, I'm gonna mix with Fix Plus first, just like a light 1, 2, like that. And when the skin is almost dry, I'm gonna go in with this, just the very tops. I find with something that is very silver in tone, you wanna be really not strategic, you wanna be mindful with your placement. So I'm gonna use a precise brush, smaller than what I would typically use, and just brush it onto this little area right here. And what I love about this is that it almost looks like the eyeshadow is cascading onto the cheeks like snowfall. I had to take it there. I like to add it, when I highlight my nose, I like this little pocket right here and not like a whole strip and the tip. I kind of add right here and then the tip of the nose. Cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin, and just like that. It's absolutely perfect. Ooh. I wasn't gonna use this one, but I have stopped highlighting my forehead and instead use bronzy, shimmery bronzy products on my forehead. So this technically a highlight would look great on a darker skin tone, but if you want to use it and you are medium to lighter in skin tone, do this little trick, okay? So large fluffy brush so that it's applied in like a airbrush type of effect versus a really precise application. And I just like to sweep like so. And it's just my absolute favorite way to use deeper toned highlights and shimmery bronzers. You can even add it to the apples of your cheeks. Just because we're cool toned and in a winter wonderland doesn't mean that you can't be bronzy, okay? Always gotta bronze. All right, are you guys ready for the lip? Now that I talked it up, here we go. This is the lip I have been dying to share with all of you because, like I said, it's something that if I see in store, I'm gonna wanna buy it, and I'm here to show you how I would incorporate it into this look. Drum roll, please. First of all, packaging. Just like the rest of the Frosted Firework collection, absolutely stunning. I will swatch the other colors for all of you, but look at this one. Woo! That is frosted. Would that not call your name if you saw it in the store? Because for me, I'd be like, I need that. And I've already outlined my lip with a bit of cork. So I just wanted to define my lips. If I could, I would have gone a little bit lighter, but I got carried away. So I just wanted to define my lips. I didn't want to add a lip color because I really want this to pop on the center of my lips. So it's almost like I contoured my lips, but on my actual lip line, or like overlined, not around my lip. And what I'm gonna do with this lipstick is just add it to the center and then blend it out. So when you see a lipstick, such as this one, you don't have to just apply it like you normally would across all of your lip real estate. Just to the center adds such a beautiful pop, and it definitely completes this look. This winter wonderland look, sorry, excuse me. I'm so happy with the way this look turned out, especially when using icy tones like silvers and blues paired with like a gray top. I'm just in love with this. I hope all of you out there who are cool toned lovers, who were craving a cool tone look, I hope this satisfied that craving of yours. Let me know if you enjoyed this look, comment down below. Don't forget to check out the Frosted Firework Holiday Collection with MAC. I will make sure to list all the retailers and the kits that are available down below. I'm telling you guys, whenever my tias would give me a little MAC kit, holiday kit in my stocking or as an actual gift, it seriously blew all the other gifts away. I just absolutely love it. If you're a makeup lover or know of a makeup lover, they will absolutely love it. So check it out. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Share it with anyone who struggles with cool tones. Don't be greedy, don't be the Grinch. Share this video with them. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.